How to use the same colors from a different row or column in Microsoft Excel. While using Microsoft Excel for work or personal projects, you may have used a specific color to highlight a row or column. Problem: during the process of using multiple color formats to present your data, you want to use a certain color from a previous color formatted cell. If you can't remember the exact colors used to match newly created rows or columns, there are two solutions available to solve this issue. Solution 1. Use the Format Painter. Solution 2. Retrieve the hex color code within the Color dialog box. Solution 1. To use the Format Painter, click the cell of the color you wish to copy. Click the Format Painter in the Clipboard group under the Home tab. Once selected, you will notice a paintbrush icon attached to the cursor. Click the cell you want to format. The selected cell should now have the same color as the cell color you wish to copy. To add the copied colors to multiple cells, click and drag the cursor with the attached paintbrush icon across all cells you wish to color format. Solution 2. Right-click the cell that you want to retrieve the hex color code from. Click the arrow next to the color fill icon to reveal the Theme Colors drop-down menu. Select the More Colors button at the bottom of the menu. Under the Custom tab, copy the hex code. Select the cell you wish to format. Follow the same steps to get to the Theme Color drop-down menu. Replace the current hex code with the copied hex code you retrieved from the cell color you wish to match.